everyone, welcome to Module 10, video number 11. In this part of the Etsy course, we're going to be talking about the curating your Etsy shop. Now, after every new listing added to your Etsy shop, it's important to do a quick analysis to make sure your shop is the best it could be. So by taking the time to review each listing, it will help you identify your shop's biggest strength and weakness. So I highly recommend starting the strategy from the beginning so you could form a habit of curating your shop and therefore always optimizing your listings the best way they can be, which will help you with impressions, views, and sales. So keep in mind that as you grow your Etsy shop, this is a work in progress. And the more you access your store, the better you will get in identifying what's working and what needs to be changed. So getting found, right? So product pictures play a major role in online shoppers' purchasing decisions. So keep in mind that a bad photo can cost your sale no matter how amazing your product is. So make sure that you follow these best practices when reviewing your photos. Did you use all 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities? Did you include a common object for scaling? Did you shoot against a clean, simple background? Did you include any styles in photos? Did you include a photo in use? Did you show off the products through different angles? Did you show off different colors or size variations available? In 2018, Etsy surveyed their buyers, and 90% of them said they purchased based on the photo. It had nothing to do with shipping, cost, listing description, reviews, etc. It was based on the photo, so you could see the magnitude that a photo plays in your listing whenever you add a new listing. Now, the biggest mistake many Etsy sellers make is not taking the time to fill out their About Me section, their shop policy, and the aesthetics of their shop. So it's important to treat Etsy like a real business and present it to potential buyers as a trustworthy brand. That's what you want to think of yourself as, a brand. So you need to ask yourself the following questions in order to build trustworthiness and credibility with every single buyer that steps into your store. Do you offer a diverse selection of products with different prices? Do you have a banner? Do you have a profile picture? Do you have a shop icon? Do you have the About Me section completed? Do you have policies set in place? Do you have a shop title? Do you have your story filled out? Do you add your social media, or did you add your social media and website links? Do you have your city and state? Did you write a clear and precise listing description? This is really important that you start doing this on every single listing, analyzing and making sure that you're doing everything that we just talked about. Product pricing is another big one. Make sure to calculate all materials, expenses, labor, and profit. Ask yourself the following questions. Materials, make sure to calculate everything you use to make the product from start to finish. Expenses, include any monthly expenses you generate as a result of making the product. Labor, the biggest mistake many Etsy sellers make is undercharge themselves. So make sure you pay yourself for your time. This is really important. Profit, you're running a business and the ultimate goal is to quit your job and work from home. In order to accomplish the task of working from home, one must factor profit into the equation, right? So I recommend using Etsy Profit Calculator. It will help you estimate your Etsy fees and profits. And I don't recommend running sales when you are just opening your store. I think that's one of the biggest mistakes many new Etsy sellers make. So recap, make sure to analyze every new listing so you are optimizing your listings correctly. So therefore it increases credibility, trustworthiness, and at the same time makes you more sales, which is the ultimate goal. I will see you in the next video.